Welcome back to our channel where we explore important environmental issues around the world. Today, we are discussing the 7 contributions of deforestation to the destruction of soil structure. Number 1. Deforestation leads to soil erosion and loss of topsoil. Number 2. Tree roots help bind the soil together, so their removal can weaken the soil structure. Number 3. Without trees, there is less organic matter being added to the soil, leading to decreased soil fertility. Number 4. Deforestation disrupts the water cycle, causing fluctuations in soil moisture levels. Number 5. Loss of tree cover exposes the soil to direct sunlight, drying it out and making it more prone to erosion. Number 6. Deforestation can lead to increased soil compaction, reducing its ability to absorb water. Number 7. Soil microorganisms that play a crucial role in maintaining soil health are negatively impacted by deforestation. Remember, the destruction of soil structure can have far-reaching consequences on ecosystems and human livelihoods. Join us in our mission to protect our planet's precious resources. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more environmental insights.